Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to install an MNR mineral water filter for our Waterdrop 600G RO system. Why do you need a mineral water filter? Well, RO water systems take out about 90% of the total dissolved substances in your water, including minerals. It has been suggested that we need to replace those minerals. So RO manufacturers, including Waterdrop, have come up with a filter that will replenish the minerals that you need that the RO system takes out. Well, the very first thing we've got to do is we've got to turn the water off to the RO system. There we go.
The next thing we need to do is unplug the RO system.
We got the water off, we got the power off. I relieved the pressure at the faucet up at the sink, but now I'm going to close the pressure tank and also the valve from the refrigerator freezer, because you might just get a squirt if the pressure's still on there. It shouldn't have any pressure on it, but let's take it apart anyway. A little bit of water, not too bad though.
Now that we release the pressure inside the system, we're going to put this back in, and then we're going to cut this to the proper length that we need. Put that there. Let's cut that about right there. There we go. So before we go to the next step, they want us to flush the filter for about 5 minutes. To flush the new filter, we need to disconnect the filter discharge that we connected to the T. Place the filter into the bucket and turn the water and the power back on to the Waterdrop RO system. The water will start to flush immediately. Then flush the filter for 5 minutes into the bucket. So we've cut into the system. Now it's time to fit the filter into place. The filter comes with a holding clamp to mount the filter into place. We are going to mount the filter on this wall using the clamp and a plastic anchor. Okay, now it's time to put our filter holding clamps in place.
Now it's time to turn the water back on and power the unit up. And so, this is the finished product. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.